Jim. Charlotte, life is getting on. Listen myself, cause my mentality gradually stressing out every time I'm back to reality. Grateful, conquering poverty, floating off of power trees high in the sky. Why they on the ground a million miles from me? Not for everybody, I use it, don't abuse it. Illest killers know that this be militant music. They always try to switch your words when that gun in they tooth. Click it back, switch it back, cause all I want is that truth. All black, sweeping the night with my hoodie and boots. Give me that loot, I'm a bouncer, I can take it and shoot. They some fakers, imitations of what been in our flesh. If this they testing one to pass, is they willing to stretch in the hearse under the dirt? A lot of niggas is cursed. You think it's real in the earth, in the dirt it get worse. I'm in the jungle, in the trap where every third is the first. I'd rather be the third, cause the first get robbed for they work. Jim, billionaires, man, what up? Let's go. Yo, millionaires, yeah. I'm coming straight out of A-Town. It's your boy Jim, I don't play around. You end up playing games, hit a playground. Niggas get laid down, talking all that shit like they spray rounds. Come on, man, we know that you fake clown. Bodies left face down, run up in your spot like a shakedown. My niggas who the time could relate now. Let's take it upstate now. Remember eating soups, I got steak now. No more hugging my fam through a gate now. Niggas is breakdown. Used to be your dog, he a snake now. Plotting on you cause you got cake now. Waiting on that moment he can let off his trait pound. Memorizing every single move that you make now. Now he in the shadows waiting for you to come around. Run right up behind you, all you hear is that loud sound. Block up a block of your homie just gun you down. By any means necessary, niggas just want the crown. Shit is kinda crazy in my city, but all the real niggas stay rockin' with me. Bitches actin' sedity, looking pretty, but they be inhaling that Bobby Whitney. Popping that Molly, throwing that Kush just to get that Fetty. But damn, niggas out here falling in love with these strippers, making them their baby mama feel some way when I tip them. So I pay for that private dance in the back and I dick them. Side of another Franken and now she slurping till she hiccup. Passed her a paper towel and suggested she wipe the drip up, but she refused it and went back to you and started kissing like ew. I don't get it, some of these dudes be broads too. One day this nigga crippin', next day he a pie root. I keep my enemies in one pot beef stew, so there's no more debating on who better, me or you. Niggas is tired of your garbage, my shit overdue. Cause you steady be kicking lies, I'm always kicking truth. My shit so hot the fire marshal just closed down the booth. I'm shooting at your circle, bullets playing duck, duck, goose. And I ain't have to use my hands, it's called a shit blue too. Jim, chillin'